welcome back to Flippin' Fresno. All the materials you see on this show are supplied by KHL Construction.
KHL Construction specializes in bringing your vision to life, focusing on the artistry of custom cabinets and countertops. Here, every detail matters and every project is a testament to their dedication to quality and precision.
Remember, we have custom cabinets, prefab cabinets like the ones I have behind me. Everything is going to be 10% off as long as you put the down payment before January 1st.
Whether you're envisioning a sleek, modern kitchen or a cozy traditional space, KHL Construction offers a stunning array of custom cabinets and countertops. From the moment you step into their showroom, you'll be inspired by the endless possibilities that await.
Right here in Fresno, California, we have two locations. One's going to be on 1492 North Clark. The second location is at 4055 West Shaw.
Feel free to reach out to KHL Construction at 559-277-8628.
How's it going? Nothing like meeting on a Sunday afternoon, right? Okay, let's go do this thing. It's a nice building. So mate, here we are, back when it all started a couple of years ago, where you were this young and ambitious realtor. And after meeting you, I was like, this guy's a hunter-killer and you have similar values, which is quite extraordinary. So here we are a couple of years later, obviously successful, right?
Yep.
Doing tons of homes and things like that.
Yeah.
And it's really interesting going back to where we first started to where we are now.
So yeah, this journey basically all started with a phone call. Got on the phone with Darren. He was interested in investing in Fresno and taking distressed homes, remodeling them, putting them back on the market at an affordable price. After he basically explained to me what his goal was, what he was looking to do here in Fresno, we discussed the kind of properties in specific that he was looking for. When we started, after that first initial call we had, you explained to me what you were looking for and what kind of homes you're interested in, and you used the word line of sight. And it was so difficult for me to understand what line of sight really was, what that meant. There was a specific thing that he would always say is there has to be a line of sight. If the line of sight is not there, then I don't want to buy that home. And I just didn't really know what he meant by line of sight. And you did your best to explain it and didn't get the first time, so I asked again. Didn't get the second time, I asked again. And the fourth time I wasn't gonna ask because I was like, now I just look dumb. I went to the drawing board, basically, went on the MLS, looked for homes, and it was kind of broad because I didn't really understand what he meant by line of sight. So the list was just, I remember it was like 145 homes that I had to go through because I just didn't really know what a line of sight meant, right? And I narrow it down and I go through every single one. And I narrow it down to about 45, 50 listings that I think were gonna be good matches for flips. I send that over to you and you send it back like in minutes with only 15 homes. So I sent over the list of 45 and immediately he sends back a list of 15 out of the 45. And I'm like, bro, like I spent so much time going through these homes and you just immediately wiped out 30 homes. So I had to go through those 15 homes to see what was the similarities in that. That's when I figured out what line of sight meant. The shift back so you can have the privacy, perimeter wall and fenced.
It's sort of like you understand the criteria, you understand what people need.
Yeah.
And you have an amazing ability to cater to what your investors like myself want and need. So it's quite efficient in terms of time. And as you know, with real estate, time is money.
We ended up submitting offers for 3 homes, got 2 offers accepted. And from the 2 offers, only one of them was one that we thought had the most potential, and we chose the right one. Because that one we had purchased for $200,000, but during escrow towards the end, I was able to get $3,000 credit back. So we ended up purchasing it for $197,000. Then that home went and sold for over 400K after remodel. Focus on the sale, focus on the process. Once you've got the process down, you're gonna get paid, repeat the process and just continue the same thing. So the same thing with the homes. You've got the process down, you've done a few test properties.
Yeah.
It took a while to figure that out, right? But now you've got it down. Like for each house, we're doing multiple homes at a time now. So I mean, it all shows, the progress shows where we came from.
Flippin' Fresno.